why these orcas are wearing salmon as hats. Are they repeating 1987 again? In the 1980s, a unique and quirky behavior emerged among orcas in the Puget Sound region of Washington state. These marine mammals were seen wearing deceased salmon on their heads, a practice that soon became known as the salmon hat phenomenon. The first documented sighting of this behavior occurred in 1987 when a female orca, part of the southern resident population, was observed with a salmon draped over her head. This unusual act quickly gained popularity among the orcapods, with multiple individuals adopting the trend. Over time, this behavior became an iconic, though puzzling, display of orca behavior. While it initially sparked curiosity and amusement among observers, the meaning and motivations behind the salmon hat trend remained unclear. Orcas, known for their complex social structures and sophisticated behaviors, often engage in acts that defy easy explanation. The salmon hat phenomenon was just one of many ways orcas demonstrated their intelligence and social nature. After a hiatus of 37 years, this behavior made a surprising reappearance in 2024. In October of that year, photographer Jim Pasola captured a striking image of an orca named J27 Blackberry, seen wearing a salmon on its head. This sighting, reminiscent of the earlier trends from the 80s, reignited public interest and prompted a fresh wave of questions about the motivations behind this behavior. Researchers, animal enthusiasts, and the general public alike were left wondering why orcas would engage in such an unusual act. Was it simply a playful gesture, a social interaction, or something deeper tied to their culture? The reasons behind the salmon hat behavior have become a subject of scientific curiosity and investigation. Several hypotheses have emerged, each offering a different perspective on this unusual phenomenon. One possibility is that orcas engage in this behavior as a form of play or social bonding. Orcas are known for their intricate social structures, and like many intelligent animals, they often engage in behaviors that serve to strengthen relationships within their pods. Adopting a trend like wearing salmon could be a playful activity, fostering social interaction and cooperation among pod members. The resurgence of the salmon hat behavior coincided with a significant abundance of chum salmon in the Puget Sound area, which may have facilitated the re-emergence of this trend. With so much salmon available, orcas may have been more inclined to use the fish as a prop for social interactions. Another theory suggests that the behavior could be part of a broader cultural expression within orca populations. Cultural behaviors, as defined in animal studies, are practices or traditions that are passed down through generations, often via social learning. For orcas, these cultural behaviors might include hunting techniques, vocalizations, or, in this case, the salmon hat tradition. The fact that the behavior resurfaced after a lengthy gap could indicate that it is part of the orca's cultural repertoire, which can emerge under specific environmental conditions. Cultural transmission in animals, particularly in species as socially complex as orcas, plays a critical role in shaping behavior patterns. If the salmon hat trend is indeed a cultural behavior, it would signify the importance of social learning and the persistence of traditions in orcapods. The recent resurgence of the salmon hat behavior presents an exciting opportunity for orca researchers to gain deeper insights into orca behavior and social dynamics. Studying such unusual behaviors can provide valuable information about the social structure, communication, and learning mechanisms of these highly intelligent marine mammals. Researchers are currently focused on tracking the frequency and distribution of the salmon hat behavior within orca populations to determine whether it is an isolated incident or part of a larger trend among different pods in the region. This could provide crucial information about how cultural behaviors are maintained and passed down through generations in orca communities. The revival of the salmon hat behavior shows how animal cultures are dynamic, evolving with environmental and social changes. It highlights how certain behaviors can resurface after long periods of dormancy. This trend provides a unique look at how orcas, and other animals, engage in behaviors influenced by both survival needs and social or cultural factors. Understanding what triggers such behaviors, like resource availability, seasonal shifts, or social changes, is essential in orca research. This phenomenon also underscores the value of long-term studies to understand animal behavior and how cultural traditions are passed down and evolve. As researchers continue to study the salmon hat behavior, they are uncovering more about orca social dynamics and cultural practices. This unique behavior offers insight into how orcas communicate, bond, and maintain traditions. By examining such behaviors, scientists gain a deeper understanding of the ecological and evolutionary factors shaping orca populations, contributing to broader conservation efforts. The resurgence of the salmon hat after several decades provides a valuable opportunity to explore orca culture and the environmental influences on their behavior. Continued study will enhance our knowledge of orca ecology and the role of cultural traditions in the animal kingdom.